Hey guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Shopify redirect you too many times. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Shopify store here and it's saying Shopify redirect you too many times here, there are a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So most likely if you're having this issue here, it means that you have some problems with your DNS. Now especially this is common for users who just recently connected their their domain on their Shopify store. So usually when you go to your settings at the bottom left here and going to the section for domains and basically clicking on the connect existing domain and entering your domain here, you'll have these pop-ups here, which in this case they will ask you to create records, the A record and the C name record here, which in this case they will have the current values that you see right now as well as the new values for your in this case your DNS. So what you need to do is you need to access the provider for your domain. So in this case, you want to go ahead and open it up. So in my case, I'm using Namecheap. So if you're using any other platforms out there, you can go ahead and use that. But in this case, I went to my domain list here. I want to go ahead and click on manage. And I want to go to my DNS settings. So usually it's going to be under advanced DNS here. And from here, you'll have the option to change your A record and your C name record. So what you need to make sure here is that the records that you see here actually matches that. For example, we have our A record here, so the add record. So we want to go and go back here. Let's go ahead and just paste our new value, which is this one. So remember to remove any of the spaces here and go ahead and save this. So click on save changes. Now next is you want to go ahead and go to your CNAME here, copy your new value, and from here you want to go ahead and go back into your CNAME record here and change the value for it. Now in this case you want to go ahead and click on the save changes option. Now once you've done this, what you need to do is you just need to wait for a few in this case a few hours. So usually this might take, so due to DNS verification, it might take a while here. After verifying it, it will take a few hours in order for your new domain to propagate. So usually you need to wait like for around 48 hours, but once that's up, you can go ahead and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Up. Thank you for watching.